Okay, we have an equation in two variables, 4y equals 5x plus 20, and we have a table of values for that equation for the inputs of x equals -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and we figured out what the y values are when x equals those values. I also rewrote some of these fractional values for y as decimal numbers just to make them easier to see. We now want to plot these points on a coordinate axis. So first we start off, we have to create a scale on our coordinate axis, on our x-axis going across. The tick marks go by ones, and on our y-axis going up and down, the tick marks go by 2. So let's start plotting some of these points. The first point is -2 and 2.5. So we want to find -2 on our x-axis, that's right over here, and 2.5 on our y-axis, that's right over there. And we're going to see where do these 2 points kind of meet each other, right over there. Our next point is -1 and 3.75. So same thing, we have -1 on our x-axis, and 3.75 on our y-axis, and those meet right around here. Then we have 0, 5, so 0 on the x-axis and going up 5 units on the y-axis, that's right over there, our 0.05. Our next one is 1 and 6.25. So we're going to go across 1 on the x-axis and up 6.25, so 6 and just a little bit on the y-axis. That gives us 1, 6.25. And last but not least, we have 2 and 7.5. So we're going across +2 on the x-axis and up 7.5 on the y-axis. That gives us 2 and 7.5. And if we can kind of see through these numbers, that's starting to build what looks like the graph of a linear equation.